We have a nation that's chronically ill. 75% of our country is either overweight or obese. We have 38 million diabetics in our country. We have only 22% of our young people that can even enlist in the military because of obesity issues. It is a problem. This is cigarettes for our generation. It's addictive, they know it. It causes health issues, and they know it. But unlike cigarettes, we all have to eat. We have a tainted food supply here. It's not the fault of our citizens. We say it over and over. It's not you, it's the food.
Poor diet is now the leading cause of early death on planet Earth.
Flip over a turkey and cheddar Lunchable. I can't even pronounce these words.
Vegetable oil contains bromine, which is also found in fire retardants.
Yikes.
FoodFight USA has three parts. One, to get federal legislation passed to stop self-regulation by food companies and clean up our tainted food supply. Two, to help consumers make more informed and empowered food choices. The third leg is solutions. We were very involved in passing the California Food Safety Act.
Toxic chemicals that are prohibited from being used in food in 27 nations are somehow allowed in our food supply here in the United States.
I talked to Governor Schwarzenegger, and he said, "I will help you," which made it bipartisan.
California seeks to ban for ultra-processed food additives like brominated vegetable oil. None of that really sounds like food to me.
Then I met with Governor Newsom in Sacramento and asked him to please sign it. He signed it into law on October 7th last year.
California is now the first state to ban chemicals in food, including red dye number 3.
It was seminal. Why? Because it opened the door. Now there are 30 states in America with different kinds of legislation copycatting what California started.
Less than a year after California banned BVO from its state, the FDA passed a nationwide ban. With that success, California passed another bill aimed at 6 harmful food dyes.
A controversial artificial food dye may soon be banned in the U.S. Red number 3. It's a food dye made from petroleum.
We launched the website FoodFightUSA.com to educate people, to anger people, to ask them to question why known toxins banned in countries around the world have been put into our food supply for the last 40 years. Why are we the guinea pigs?
Dozens of ambassadors have joined the fight.
Big Tobacco took the billions of profits they made from generations of addicted smokers and invested in something more family-friendly, the food we eat.
FoodFight USA has made it super easy to send a direct message to members of Congress and the FDA and remind them that they work for us. Together with our partners, we are making your voices heard.
You can publicly call out brands using hazardous additives in their products.
The power of the people is much stronger than the people in power.
The third leg of our stool, coupled with legislative and grassroots, is solutions. Links to websites where healthier foods can be purchased right now. Think of Demeter as Organic 2.0. They are doing regenerative farming in Europe today, good for the environment, the animals, the soil. Front of package warning labels like cigarettes, similar to many countries that do it right now.
In Chile, they used black warning labels.
Things like this aren't partisan. They're common sense.
Longer term, join us. It's a food fight. It's time for people to have a voice. We're in it to win it.